Amy, my first question is why we should stop labeling the diets.
Oh, wow, that's a challenge right from the start. I think I actually just did a video on this for my channel, and I think the problem is that when we put a specific name on our diet, then we think it's wrong or we think we're making a mistake if we eat anything that's outside that very strict limitation. Like, for example, if you're doing a carnivore diet, if you ever have a mushroom or a piece of lettuce, all of a sudden you're not carnivore anymore. Even if you don't need the carnivore diet for a medical therapy purpose, if you're perfectly healthy and you just prefer to eat that way, maybe every now and then you want to have some vegetables. But if you say, well, I'm carnivore, then you feel guilty or you feel ashamed if you have something that's not an animal food. And same thing with keto. If you say, well, I'm keto and I follow a ketogenic diet, then if you ever have a potato or something else that's starchy or sweet, or contains a high amount of sugar, then you feel like you have to hide it. You feel like you can't be truthful or people are going to think you're not really keto. And that's a problem with people's very black and white thinking. Please subscribe to BNS Goku Great.